Okay, today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. We've only made one video on the channel about this. We're gonna, one of my friends,
and he copied me on the video.
One of my friends is gonna join. He keeps saying I copied him, but I actually didn't copy. We're gonna be doing a bunch of cool glitches and gold grinding strategies. So the first good gold grinding strat is if you need cake. All you need is a chair, cake, and a red or gray duster. I'm gonna use red and an infinite jetpack. This is the only hard item to get. Then which is good. And then you can just literally get the gold.
You can easily get totally better than a gold.
The next glitch is kind of funny. I call it the warped size glitch. I made it. Basically, you need glue blocks and you don't need much. Place 2 glue blocks and make them invisible. Now, make sure you have a blue candy. As you can see, your body will be frozen. And if you actually do this to the blue candy, you can actually just go back to normal, sort of. But did you know if you do this with even more glue, it can get even more glitchy. So the most glitchy thing is just go into the chair, and if you're mini mode, put a glue block on you, place this. You will be stuck in the sitting animation, but when you eat blue candy, when it makes you bigger, an insane glitch happens. As you can see, I'm stuck. Like, literally, I'm just a cube. Look, I'm a cube. I'm a cube. Also, we've been playing around with this guy.
Let's do it trolling him.
Whoa, no.
Like that's gonna be the troll.
Okay, we're gonna be trolling this guy named Shadow. Okay?
Because why not?
Yeah. You can actually join my private server. Like and subscribe if you want to join. This is the first troll. It's called the Dynamite. He can't move. Lol. Let out fireworks because he just got trolled.
If we make him leave for now, we can do even for a troll.
Yeah, we need fireworks for the occasion.
For this troll is basically so first, of course, it's one of my favorites.
He loaded in another crappy boat.
Here, when your friend loads something in, this is what you want to do. Basically, yeah, do that. Tighten it.
It's anchored.
And basically, launch. Don't let him launch. Actually.
No, Jacob, the best troll is just to put a stick through
And
his
there's 3 people on the team. You and your friend can gain up on one person that wants to launch. Just have them sit there forever. Actually, I'll accept his friend request.
Let me just stick a metal rod through his boat.
Like, mess around with their boat.
And make it.
Wait, is that metal rod gonna just hold him in place?
His boat won't move. Look, I'm gonna launch.
Let's do it. What a troll. Oh, wait, let's go.
reset because he
There's
thinks.
so many ways.
I
And
think.
also, a good troll. Let's Avery. Let's do the one with the two things. The two things, and it makes him go crazy.
Oh, that the harpoon one. He's loading in
So all you need is 2 harpoons. We recommend the good ones, and
the dragon harpoons.
dragon harpoons are the best. Definitely. Get them out.
Don't you have gold?
Right. I am going to.
I don't know how to kick him out. You want me to kick him out of here? Let me kick him out.
Have some fun with it and just like place a block. And
What I'm gonna
like
do
this block is gonna be stuck.
is I'm gonna put another metallic rod just through the floor.
Spamming. Spam. Blasting all those. Wait, we can trap him in. If your friend has a door, trap him in.
It's not that hard.
Yeah, it's really easy to just trap him in.
Like that.
Wait, if we trap him in, then let's just build close and he'll just sit here until he resets.
No. This guy actually will go mental really quickly. You know what's not even better troll though? Making them invisible. Jacob, make them all invisible.
Let's do it.
Okay, so now he doesn't know. And also, if you really want to go inside of his boat, but you can't because it's a locked door, it's really simple. It's actually really simple.
I feel like
Just place a portal somewhere inside of his boat.
Anyway, oh you do.
I'm gonna go inside his boat. Hello. I wanna go inside. Yes, I kicked him out of his own boat. We got him.
Go harpoon. I'll get one side.
Harpoon him. Get the other side.
Do you have the other side?
No, you get the other side. What are you? We're not doing it. Or are we? Tighten one side. Whoa, why is it glitching? The harpoon isn't shooting.
No, he's building. Quick.
The harpoon isn't working. It just freezes. Jacob, you stupid invisible blocks. You didn't get rid of them. What's he say? Actually do launch Jacob, except make sure that these harpoons are attached. Yes! Tighten. Slowly tighten. He figured out how to fix it. He figured out that placing a chair works.
Yeah, if you place a chair, it'll work, right?
It fixes you. But he reset, lol. Jacob, you went silent.
No, we need to make a trap. So basically, a good way, if you have a gold farm, you can put gold farms on every single one of these, right? You put a gold farm on every single one of these and hook all those portals up to one thing that drops you down and you can't survive.
Okay, this is an
Even
invisible.
if you switch teams and reset, you cannot survive. If you put on every team and if you reset, you're just gonna get sucked back in.
But that's actually
That is
it
yeah.
is the
So I feel
ultimate.
like that is we're being separated.
I'm making it so even if you launch, the bow isn't gonna ever pass. Like ever.
How far?
You will go right in front of the water. Launch just to troll him. Launch and he's gonna get so look. He's gonna
Well,
the good thing is though, now his boat is unanchored, so you can actually harpoon it and bring it back.
oh yeah, that's awesome. Let me get the other. I'll build the other side.
He has no idea what's happening. Get the other side. You have portals, right? No, we need
Turn the other side.
we need 3. He killed it all. But no, we're never gonna let him free from here. Like,
Hang on. I gotta.
no, he's loading in the sink.
No. He's getting in.
Don't let him in the boat.
I blocked 2 of the doors.
Well, he keeps loading in the same boat.
Wait, if we know where that boat is.
The boat spawns right here. Is this a good troll? Like, just covering his
The
boat?
dynamite is a good troll, I would say that.
His boat. He wants to go in so badly. Isn't this a good troll? No, Jacob, get rid of this dynamite right now. Get rid of this dynamite right now.
Can't do it too.
No, he moved. I just have to move this big obsidian block. He wants to call us, but no. Okay, but there's more trolls. Like the spinning wheel troll. Bum, 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 50. Also, wheel torque has to be max. Usually just a light block like plastic. You got him. Get rid of the harpoon. I know you can just do that. I'm working on that, but isn't it cool?
Wait, turn on collision. Wait, go, turn on collision.
It's on. Collision's on.
Why is it not working? Slow it down.
You know, he's just jumping over it.
He thinks he's doing so well, though.
I know.
But in reality,
Whoa, who turned it back on? Him. Guys, I'm gonna do it's not funny, as in just annoying.
yeah, we're just annoying him.
Look. It kills
Yeah,
you.
look at his face.
If you go in the portal.
No. No.
That portal gives you 100 gold.
Yeah, it's so good. You can't do that to me, bro.
I know, it's just such a good troll.
Don't do it to me. We're only trolling him.
You know another good troll? You can actually force people into it. Force them into it. Jacob, get rid of it.
This is what you get. I'll sit in your chair.
I just have to ban you. Sorry. Get rid of that chair. What I'm trying to do is do the troll.
This is my favorite troll. You can do out. This cannon. This cannon. Has to. This cannon can kill people.
Look.
Bro, should I burn dynamite? It's Halloween time.
kill people.
Bro, stop.
I thought it was you, okay? Here he is. It immediately kills people,
He's
right?
gonna stay there.
He's actually gonna go, he's gonna go insane. He can't even move. I think he went AFK.
Do something cool. This.
He said he needs gold now.
No, all you portals all over that.
That's too much effort though.
Wait, no, eat a spoon candy. Oh, you already have it.
I think he's actually going insane. It's so annoying.
You're actually getting so many kills.
No, if every single one gave me 100 gold,
No, it doesn't.
imagine though. I'm gonna do something where basically it immediately kills
Eat
you.
it slow.
It immediately kills you, Jacob. Can you test it out?
He's so rich.
Can you test it out?
Fine.
Does it immediately kill you?
No. Not, I mean, close. You have to place it so much farther down, bro.
Tell me when it immediately kills you.
Gold.
Wait, Jacob, does this immediately kill you? This is like 500 blocks down. No! He harpooned me.
He did?
Yes.
He's trolling us. I'm just trolling back.
But I'm supposed to go and know how to actually escape. I refuse to die. Yes! I got out. Time to ramp up the trolls. I'm gonna make a troll meter, okay? It's gonna get
Wait,
ramped.
did you already have a troll bar?
Jacob, the troll meter goes from green to yellow. This is the troll meter. Okay, these trolls are a lot more elaborate and annoying. Bro, he is so bad though. Jacob, when you turn on PvP mode, the trolls are gonna get so. Stop. Turn it on. When you turn on PvP mode, the trolls are gonna get a lot more severe.
You idiot. Bro, that's so... Here, I want to see you. Like,
Oh, he turned it on. He turned it on and loaded whatever. Oh, I'm stuck in the Titanic. I'm in the captain's room.
No, wait, no, you didn't get in the captain's room.
Oh, I wanna get in there. Looks nice.
Yeah, I can. Bro, come on over here. That's your chest?
I'm in the captain's room. Jacob, can you unload it though so I can come?
Fine, I will unload it.
Unload it! Hello. You know, he made a very bad mistake today on PvP mode because
No, keep that boat. Let me keep the boat.
I killed him. I need potions. How much in this boat, Blue? Solo. lag bomb. Because why not? Who did that? What are you trying to do? I'm gonna sit back until we can hit like 4,000 block left. I don't know why I don't know. They don't crash. This might actually crash the server.
Are you gonna crash the server?
Huh?
You're trying to crash the server?
Yeah. On the video.
Hang on, wait. My little camera connected to this. So that would be so weird. This is not.
This is a lag bomb. When the TNT goes up, bad stuff happens. This is a lever.
Mom!
It activates the lag bomb. As you can see, the game.
Lag.
Yes, it hit a very big lag spike, and there's so much stuff all over. You see?
Yeah, it lagged so much.
Did you see that?
So, it did not lag that much.
We're doing it, except now we're doing it even more.
Hey, you have to touch grass. Go see outside. It's so
Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Did you know spike blocks are actually the laggiest blocks? I'm gonna put in some spike blocks.
How'd you do it?
Whoa, why'd you launch?
Yeah.
Launch.
I have to be able to do it.
Did you launch? Okay, I activated another lag. Not as lag, but still lag bomb.
But I'm assuming you do that on the actual server.
What do you mean?
Would you get kicked? Because you made a lag bomb?
Yeah.
There we go.
What's this?
I feel like that video, guys.
No, what?
Yeah, guys, yeah. It's a very big structure.
Okay, the video's gonna end after I find out what is this.
Weak.
Okay, okay, bye. Like and subscribe. Last call for this.
You can always tell this guy actually cheats on a lot of his videos. I'm telling you guys. Like, he does.
Okay.
Did you